Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Benkei. Today, let's talk about another important operation in list called slice. So first, let me define a list. Say x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sometimes when you want to access the element through certain index, there's another way to do it. Say x1. Say print it out here. Then let me run. As you can see, the number 2 is printed out here, right? So what if I want to get two elements, say from the first element to third element. So as you can see, it printed out 3 elements here. This is called a slice. So I only get a partial of the list element. So here, my 0 is my starting index. Here is my non-inclusive ending index, which means that I only print out the list with index 0, 1, and 2, but not 3 here, right? Let me try another example. Say I print out starting from the second to the fifth one. So let's print out what that looks like. Let me comment here. Let me run again, and you can see that I print the list index from the second, the third, and the fourth, but not the fifth, because as you can see, I print out the 3 elements: 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So another example is, let me comment this line. So sometimes I only need the last element. There's a way to do it called -1. So this is very special in Python. In like C++ or C, you cannot do that. But in Python, the -1, that means the last element. As you can see, it's 6, right? I can even do slice, say -1 to -3. Okay. So the -3 to -1. -3 to -1. Oh, okay. As you can see, it print out the element with index -3 and -2, but not -1. So which means the last here, the upper bound is not inclusive in the list index slicing. So let me do a for loop. Say for y in x, say -2 to -4 to -1. So I want the element from the -4. So -1, -2, -3, -4, all the way to non-inclusive -1. So which means I only need to access this 3 elements. So let's print it out. As you can see, it print out 3, 4, 5. right? So thank you. I see you in the next video.